Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Working President Deborah C. Marak acknowledged the challenges faced by the party following Dr. Mukul Sangma's exit in 2021. She attributed the party's Gambagre election loss to vote splitting between Congress and Trinamool Congress, which benefited the NPP. Marak emphasized that any decision regarding the return of former leaders would need approval from the Congress High Command.
See, Gambagre election, Congress defeat is one of the reasons because our fight was triangular fight. You all know that very well. Our Congress vote split into two. You plus Congress and TMC vote, we would have won. I do admit. Now new party has come in Garo Hills in the name of TMC. And our Congress vote so much eroded towards TMC party. That's why our votes divide into two. We always need to fight triangular nowadays. Therefore, NPP, they get the advantage out of that.
Residents